So guys, we're right now about to go to a freaking car meet that's going on in the city. Today's like takeover, something. We're taking over the city right now. So my boy hit me up that he's in the city. We're gonna pop out and we're gonna see what happens. A lot of shit is going on right now. So it's a car meet, mad people outside. It's nice outside, nice weather. So hey, stay tuned though. We're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take y'all out to the city, show y'all around, show y'all the cars, show y'all what's going on. And I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, all that fun stuff. But hey, let's keep it rolling though. Yeah, we outside, man. We got all the cars. Nigga got the big body. We got it all, and more people pulling up right now. We're about to be spinning crazy. Alright, going crazy. Estamos afuera, nigga got the música y toda la vaina. That's a Sexiest Infinity. That's a Q60, I think. That shit fire, I ain't gonna lie. Nigga, I try to get in that shit, nigga, my head hits the top, bro. That shit fire. Yeah. You already know, clean. That sound fire! Nah! Nigga want it! Nigga don't care! Nah! Oh, nah! I ain't gonna lie, I ain't going over there. Look. That's just some wrong too. That nigga about to hit somebody, bro. Oh, that nigga tweaking. Eso está duro.
Que tú sabes que soy mamá, cuando te cuero yo soy mamá.
Oh! Nah! That nigga wanted. Nigga coming back. This nigga, I swear he's spinning right now. This nigga driving in circles. Ese sí no está gastando goma, nigga. Nah, this nigga think he got it, bro. Nah. You gotta go. What the fuck? Nah.
What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Ese carro se está cayendo, he got it. Yo.